Last week, a leak dropped about Samsung's upcoming One UI 8.5, and hidden inside was some news about the Galaxy S26 Ultra that caught everyone's attention. It looks like Samsung is finally cranking things up when it comes to charging speeds. The leak claims the S26 Ultra will support 60-watt charging. That's a decent jump from the 45 watts we've had on the S25 Ultra, and honestly, it's about time. But that's not all. Ice Universe, you know the guy who's rarely wrong, posted on Weibo that the S26 Ultra's 5,000 mAh battery can reach around 75 to 8% in just half an hour. Sounds good, right? Well, they also says Samsung's being conservative with those figures, and in actual usage, the phone might hit as high as 90% in the same time. For context, the S25 Ultra manages about 72% in 30 minutes, so this is roughly a 25% improvement. Not bad at all, even if it still can't match some of the crazy fast charging speeds you see from certain Chinese brands. We still don't know the exact time for a full charge, but with these numbers, it wouldn't be surprising if it could go from 0 to 100% in about 45 minutes. For most people, that's more than enough. Of course, if you're in the camp that wants a full battery in under 10 minutes, you might still be left wanting. Even so, 60 watts is a welcome step forward for Samsung users. It's not breaking records, but it's a solid quality of life boost. The only thing missing is a bigger battery to go with it. Maybe that's something we'll see in a future model. So what's your take? Is this finally the charging upgrade you've been waiting for, or is Samsung still playing it safe? Share your thoughts below, and I'll see you in the next one.